If you've ever wanted a no-soil garden that actually fits in your apartment, this is your sign. I'm building a simple hydroponic unit you can copy in an afternoon. Then I'll dial in lighting, water, and pest control so your plants just take off. Here's the grocery list. A 10 to 20 gallon opaque tote with a lid. Submersible pump. Air pump with air stone. 6 to 8 net pots. Clay pebbles. Rock wool. Liquid hydroponic nutrient. pH test kit. pH pen. EC ppm meter. Full spectrum LED grow light. Step 1. Prep the tote. Trace your net pots on the lid, spaced like cupcakes, about 6 inches apart. Cut holes so the pots sit snug and the lip catches. Opaque matters. Light and water equals algae. Step 2. Air and water. For a super simple cracky plus air setup, I run an air pump and air stone in the tote. That keeps oxygen in the solution and roots happy. If you use a small submersible pump, add a gentle recirculation loop. No fire hoses. Root cords with a drip loop and plug into a GFCI. Step 3. Mix nutrients. Fill the tote with tap water that's been sitting out a day or use filtered. Add nutrients per the label. Start at half strength. Target EC 0.8 to 1.4 MSCM for leafy greens, 1.6 to 2.2 for fruiting crops. Adjust pH to 5.8 to 6.2. I wear gloves and goggles here because splashes happen. Step 4. Plant. Start seeds in rock wool. Start seeds in a starter plug. When you see roots, drop the plug into the net pot, surround with clay pebbles, and set the pot so the bottom just kisses the water line. Roots will chase the bubbles down. Lighting. Keep it simple. Use a full spectrum LED. Hang it 12-18 inches above the canopy to start. Watch for leaf curl or bleaching and raise if needed. For lettuce and herbs, 14-16 hours on, 8-10 off. For peppers or tomatoes, 12-14 hours. If you want numbers, aim roughly 200-400 ppfd for greens, 400-700 for fruiting, but your eyes and leaves will tell you the story. Water management is the secret sauce. Keep solution temps around 65-70 degree Rwand, 18 to 21 degree Rwand to prevent root rot. Top off with plain water daily to replace what evaporates, then recheck pH. Do a full reservoir change every 7-10 days. If the tote warms up, freeze a water bottle and float it. Instant chiller. Pest and disease control. Prevent, don't chase. Start clean, rinse clay pebbles. Wipe the tote. Sanitize tools with dilute 3% peroxide. Keep air moving with a small fan to discourage fungus. Put yellow sticky traps at plant height to monitor gnats and whiteflies. Inspect leaves every watering, undersides too. If you find pests early, quarantine the plant. Then wash leaves with a gentle insecticidal soap. For powdery mildew, improve airflow and remove affected leaves. Avoid splashing foliage. Between crops, deep clean the system and lines. That's it. A tote, some bubbles, good light, and a routine. Start with basil. Start with lettuce to build confidence.